Dear friends, today we will discuss about anti-anxiety drug. After watching this video, learner will be able to explain about the anxiety classification of anti-anxiety drugs and mechanism of anti-anxiety drugs, benzodiazepines. Anti-anxiety drugs. What is anti-anxiety drugs? Drugs that are used to manage or control or deal with the symptom of anxiety without affecting the other mental and physical function of the body. Now we will move what is anxiety. Before starting our main theme and the anxiety drugs, we will discuss first what is what is anxiety. It is emotional state. It is, we can say, unpleasant in nature. One can feel uneasiness and discomfort and concerned with the fear about some defined and undefined facts. It can be divided in psychological, physiological, and behavioral state. Reflection is for. In this, you can pause your video for a minute and write down the answer of this question. What do you know about emotions? Now, resume your video and check your answer that you write your notebook. That is, emotion is a passion of short duration, or we can say it is a strong feeling derived from one's circumstances, mood, or relationship with others, or emotion is a subjective state of mind. Emotion are biological state associated with the nervous system brought or by neurophysiological changes variously associated with thought, feeling, behavioral responses, and degree of pleasure or displeasure. This one, this one is the pictorial diagram of emotions. In that you can see joy, trust, fear, surprise, sadness, disgust, anger, anticipation. There are different emotions. After that, we can check what is the emotion wheels, what is the emotion symptoms. One can happy, one can excited, one can tender, scared, angry, sad. That is the condition of emotional wheels. The normal fear response to threatening stimuli include several components such as defensive behavior, autonomic reflexes, arousal and alertness, corticosteroid secretion, and negative emotions. We can say disturbance between these reactions independently of external events is anxiety state. Now, anxiety disorder is recognized clinically. First one, generalized anxiety disorder or social disorder. It is an ongoing state of excessive anxiety lacking and any clear reason or focus that are imposed by your circumstances or your social network. Second one, panic disorder. Attack of fear with somatic symptoms. The symptoms are somatic symptoms: sweating, tachycardia, chest pain, trembling, and choking. Third one, phobia. Strong fear of a specific thing or situation. In that one, snake, one can dream about the snake bite related open spaces, time, or social interaction. In the next, post-traumatic stress disorder, anxiety triggered by incident, recall of past stressful experience. One can feel the past experience of the any accident or any condition that are before and suffer from stress, that is called post-traumatic stress disorder. Next, reflection is for. Now, resume your video and write down the answer. What are the common signs and symptoms of anxiety? After a minute, resume your video and check your answer. What are the common signs and symptoms of anxiety? That are, one can feel nervous, restlessness, or tense. Due to anxiety, patient feel nervousness, restlessness, or tense. That are the symptoms. One can having a sense of impending danger or panic doom, having an increased heart rate, that is tachycardia, breathing rapidly, hyperventilation, sweating, trembling, and feeling weak or tired. Trouble concentrating or thinking about anything other than their present worry. Classification of anti-anxiety drugs that are first class benzodiazepine. Example of that one: diazepam, oxazepam, lorazepam, alprazolam. Second class azapirons. Example: buspirone, japirone. Third class sedative and antihistaminic. Example: hydroxyzine. Last one, beta blocker. Example: propranolol. Now, what is the mechanism of action of benzodiazepines? First benzodiazepines was chlordiazepoxide. Benzodiazepine drug act preferentially on midbrain ascending reticular formation, which maintain wakefulness and the limbic system, thought and mental function. Muscle reaction is produced by primary medullary site of action, and ataxia is due to action on midbrain. Benzodiazepine, what is the mechanism? What is the point wise? We will discuss. Benzodiazepine potentiate the effect of neurotransmitter gamma aminobutyric acid at the GABA receptor. The neurotransmitter operated by ligand gated ion channel receptor, resulting in after the binding of these drugs to the GABA receptor that that show sedative effect, hypnotic effect, anti-anxiety effect, anti-convulsant, and muscle relaxation property. That is the diagram of the GABA receptor. That is pentameric structure in that one, 2 alpha unit and 2 beta, 1 gamma receptor. That is the GABA site for the binding of the GABA gamma aminobutyric acid, and that one benzodiazepine site. Alpha receptor is again divided into alpha 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That in that one, after the binding of GABA and drug benzodiazepine that are agonist, chloride channel will open and hyperpolarize the cell, hyperpolarize the receptor, and due to this excitability, drugs show that action. Benzodiazepine, once bound to the benzodiazepine receptor, ligand lock the benzodiazepine receptor into conformation. These benzodiazepine act as enhancement of inhibition of presynaptic neuron and postsynaptic neuron, in which it has a greater affinity to the GABA. Through the GABA chloride channel complex, selectively permeable to chloride channel, increases the frequency of the opening of the chloride channel, hyperpolarize the membrane of the associated neuron, that is hyperpolarize the cell, reducing its excitability, inhibition of generation of action potential. The inhibitory effect of the GABA is potentiate, leading to sedative and anxiolytic effect, that is anti-anxiety effect. Choice of selection of benzodiazepine. The choice of benzodiazepine for anxiety is based on several sound pharmacological principles. First one, a relatively high therapeutic index, viability of flumazenil for the treatment of overdose, a low risk of drug interaction based on liver enzyme induction, slow elimination rate, which may favor persistence of useful CNS effect. That is the reference. Thank you. Thank you for watching.